This song's called You Swore, and it goes like this. It was the kind of dream that took your breath away as you woke, as you swore that nothing's changed, that we're just the same, fragile sermons on the wing, taking in the view. Oh, you swore that nothing's new. Once we dared to ask why forest fires were the way to understand a future lost to the concrete towers as the tides burn and the swallows leave. We filled the page. Oh, you swore on the blinding rain. Open flowers out at the point where faces fade, but now the sun won't set without a say in where she goes, in how love's overthrown. It was an honest mistake. Oh, you swore, you swore, you swore this is all it would take.